Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spider shirt. I've washed and dried my shirt, soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. I'm going to start out by centering my shirt. So to do that, I'm going to fold my shirt in half. And using a washable marker, I'm going to make a mark on the center line, both on the front side and back side of the shirt, at the top and bottom of the shirt. Then I'm going to tuck one sleeve inside of the other. And I'm going to line the seams of the sleeves up really well. Next, I'm going to line the shoulder seams up. Grabbing the shoulder seams and the sleeves, I'm going to lift the shirt up off of the table, give it a gentle shake, and lay it back down. At this point, it's almost centered. I'm going to use the marks that I made at the top and the bottom just to make sure I have it properly lined up. So right now what is happening is the center of the front of my shirt and the center of the back of my shirt are laying on top of each other. Right now you're looking at the back of the shirt. If you would like to see this fold a little bit more in depth, there's a link down below in the description for another video for how to center a shirt. Using a washable marker, I made a mark up where the neck is on the front side. Then I made a mark where I'd like the center of my spider to begin. I'm going to pinch that mark for the center of the spider and begin to spiral my shirt. It doesn't really matter which way you spiral your shirt. It's just your personal preference. If you want the spider going up your shirt or if you want the spider climbing down your shirt. Now I'm going to hold my folds in place with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I'm going to leave it white and only add the spider on. So I'm going to turn the shirt over to the back side, and instead of adding black like I normally do, this time I'm going to add Dharma's Brazil Nut, which is a really dark brown. I'm going to cover the entire back side of the shirt with this color, and I want to saturate it fairly well, but I don't want to oversaturate it to where the color comes all the way through to the front side and overtakes all of the white. Once I've applied all of the dye, I'm going to turn the shirt back over and process the shirt with the dyed side down. After 24 hours, I washed and dried the shirt, and this is what it looks like. I really like how the brown spider turned out. I thought that a black spider was a little too predictable, so I wanted to try something a little different. I did end up with one strange spot though on both of the sleeves, which almost looks black. I'm not entirely sure where that came from. I also think since I applied the dye to a dry shirt, it kind of gives a fuzzy appearance on the outer edges, which makes it look a little bit like a tarantula. Hey, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.